and gentlemen, thank you very much for having me today. My name is Stéphanie Delmotte, the Ministry of ICT in Madagascar. First of all, it's an honor to be hosted by Huawei. Thank you very much for organizing this event. Right to the point, on my opinion, we have to divide the priorities in two levels. First, those that are not too much costly for countries like us. For example, investing in education, in competencies, because that doesn't cost too much, but it can leverage a lot our digitalization in terms of transformation, and we cannot do anything without human capital. Of course, the level number 2 would be investing continuously into infrastructure, because without those infrastructure like backbones or networks or equipment, there is no possibility to capture the data. And for us in our country, we are giving to data the same value as real estate and gold. Because we know that without reliable information, it's not possible to make decisions, to invest or to make good governance decision. So the problem for us today is that on the map of the world, Madagascar do not exist because our data is still to be collected. And we are building our new strategy based on that, which is collecting the data the proper way, treating the data with the intelligence, which means investing a lot in data analysts, in data scientists with the application that are recommended. Number 3 for sure is regulation, which means building the legal framework to build ethic regarding the manipulation of data. Right now, Madagascar resides in a very, very important era, because we are starting the enrollment of our population, providing them with biometric and a digital identity card. We are opening the bids this week. So it's going to be the core of what we mean by digital transformation. So I believe that, to put it in a nutshell, because we are in different grades, in different steps, all the countries around the world cannot be on the same level. We have to start somewhere. So let's invest in building the data about our human capital, because that's the main resources of energy if we want to give power to our economy. And based on that identity data, we can build the sectorial data in the second stage. Yeah, that's my recommendation today. And you are all welcome to discover Madagascar, which is a very beautiful country that was blessed by God for its nature. And it's a virgin island also in terms of opportunity and ICT. So your impact in our country would make a big difference, as opposed to a country which is already very developed. So please come to us in the Indian Ocean. We'll be very happy to welcome you. Thank you very much.